let's take a look. So the left side is shorter, and we're going to adjust that side first. So I'm going to have you lay on your right side, facing me. Okay, that is perfect. So we're going to go right through here. A little push. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Other side. Extra crunchy.
Yeah.
And this side, we're bringing the hip down. So we're going to go right through here, pulling the hip downward. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Little push. Excellent. Go into your stomach. We'll see if that balanced the pelvis. Perfect. Nice and balanced.
Nice.
And we're going to do extension up through here as well to help improve the lumbar curvature. So a little push right through here. And 2 more. Good. Okay. Those are okay?
Yep.
Let's go on your back. And then we're going to go hands behind the neck, fingers interlocked, elbows up. So with this, we're going to get flexion through the thoracic spine. Nice deep breath in. Let it all go. Good. Heard that one.
Yeah.
And let's check out the neck. So, C2. Any tenderness when I press there?
A little tiny bit.
A little tiny bit. And how about below?
On the opposite side.
Right
yeah.
side there, I do feel that. So we're going to adjust this one first, and then we're going to recheck. So a little push right through here. Good. Is that better?
Yes.
And we still have the left side. So right there.
Mm-hmm.
C2, that's the one that's rotated. So we're going to rotate it back this way to the left. Perfect. Hole in one.
Nice.
Is that okay when I press there?
Yep. Yeah, it feels better.
And below.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. There we are.
Nice. Feeling like I'm brand new.
Brand new. Ready to take on the day.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're so welcome.